Morning class, Miss Harriet here. I hope you are all fantastic. Welcome to your little science experiment. Yes, we have a little experiment to do today. What you will need is a jar. Yes, it's vital to have a jar with a lid. Okay. You will also need some water, some food colouring, and dish soap. So, okay, let's start. What we're going to be making today is a tornado. Yes, a tornado is when we have lots of wind in the same place and it creates a circular spiraling motion. Yes, just like that. Goes round and round and round and round, and it starts quite large and then it gets narrower and narrower and narrower until it gets to a definite point. Okay, so what you will need to do, let's put water in our jar. Okay, and then let's add 1 squirt of dish soap. Okay, so far it should look a bit like that. Next, Miss Harriet's going to add just a couple of drops of the food colouring. I'm using blue food colouring. Oh, doesn't that look pretty? Wow, I love it. That looks really cool. Okay, then make sure the jar is on very tight. And what we're going to do is just start moving the jar in a circular motion. Let's see if we can create a tornado today. Don't know if you can see it very clearly from there, but it has created. Let's keep going. Going to give it a good shake, just like this. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Can you see that? It's created a tornado effect. Hope you can see that. If you can't see it, my apologies. Hopefully you can do a better job at home, okay? And show me your fantastic tornadoes in a jar. Make sure the lid's on really tight, because I think actually my lid's leaking as well. So that's all you do, is you shake it in this circular motion, and then you let it go, and then it creates a tornado effect. You can also add vinegar if you're getting lots of bubbles like I am now. I've created lots of bubbles there. Then you can scoop out the bubbles and put in a couple of drops of vinegar, because that will help as well. So yes, a tornado is a type of weather that occurs when there is extreme wind. Yes, and it is a spiral and circular motion, just like that. Whoops. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's science experiment, and I will see you all again soon. Bye for now.